Good.
Right. How's it going, guys? We just got back from Jordanelle Reservoir. We went, it was probably like 2 hours before a huge storm that came through that put like 2 feet of snow in the mountains. So it was pretty crazy.
There's a rainbow on the tube jig.
Not bad fishy. That's some good color.
Yeah, beautiful.
Ooh! A little kick.
We had 40-mile-per-hour winds, but we did manage to catch probably 5 or 6 rainbows. So I'd say it was a pretty good day with how bad the wind was. I was just using a woolly bugger under a bobber. I was doing pretty good. Michael, what were you using?
Yeah, I was just throwing a green and red tube jig the whole time, just letting it sink, bring it up, let it sink, bring it up, and got them closer into the shore most of the time. But they're all pretty good sized rainbows.
Yeah, we were doing pretty good before the wind really picked up, but yeah, towards the end it was getting nasty. It started raining really hard and the wind was really picking up, so we had to leave. Like, we definitely could have caught probably like 10 to 15 rainbows if we'd put in the time, but yeah, it was a good little 2-hour trip. So yeah, we tried the Provo in the morning too, and it was crazy. There was so many people there, and you could just tell that it was just really fished hard. So yeah, we don't really plan on going there that much anymore. So
No, gotten skunked there 2 or 3 times now. It's not worth it. It's not good.
Yeah, it's fine when you go in like February and it's like 10 degrees and you use like a little size 20 zebra midge, but yeah, in the fall it's just not even worth your time. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hit subscribe. We're almost to 1,000. Let's get us there. Let's go.
Just a beautiful fish. Wow.
Nice.
Woo. Phil says he's not happy. Got light tippet on, which aggravated the fish, making it only more violent. Going in for the scoop. Scoop! Wolf Blitzer here with CNN. Nation's Wonder. What'd you get? Beautiful. That's some good color.
Yeah, beautiful.
This is an iPhone 6. That's not even high definition. Look at that color.
It's beautiful. All right, let's get him back in the water.
Whoa. One handshake.
Oh, good job.
Got a pretty big storm coming in. Mountains are supposed to get about a foot of snow. I don't know what Michael's doing, but yeah, it's pretty nice. Nobody's out here. This one's for you, Grandma. Go.
Swoop! Look at that beautiful.
Beautiful. Jordanelle rainbows, they don't get much better. Beautiful fish. Let's get her back in the water. Ready? Quick release. Beautiful. Did that for you, Grandma. Michael is on. It's about time. Only took him about 10 hours to get one.
I had one on my first cast.
Just kidding.
Lost because of cancer zombie fish.
If
He's like swimming down super slow. Like go around me, go look at him. It's so weird. Rainbow. Oh! Sorry, I got so distracted by this fish. It was like coated in like cancerous looking algae kind of thing, like his whole body. It was like yellowish, but no, the tail looked like a trout tail. I was pretty sure it was it kind of looked like a cutthroat, I guess. But I'm kind of mad I lost that fish. Ooh, a little kick. I think it's tiger mussel. She's got some shine to her though.
Fish are pretty.
Wow, look at that shine.
Beautiful. There's a rainbow on the tube jig. Oh, right in the eyeball.
Is it really?
Probably not gonna feel too good.
Oh, God. Yep, that's the next cancer zombie fish. Got out and he bit it again. No! And then he got off again! Oh.
Storm's brewing, but we're still catching fish.
As far as I can tell. Oh yeah, she's good.
Yeah. Nice scoop, nice score. Beautiful rainbow. Congratulations.
Nice. Oh yeah, she's a good one.
Really nice fish. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Beautiful rainbow. The color on these rainbows in the fall doesn't get much better than a Jordanelle rainbow in the fall. Probably like 30-mile-per-hour winds right now. We got a big storm coming in. We're supposed to get like a foot of snow. So we're going back. We ended up catching like 5 rainbows. So it did pretty good for a spontaneous trip. We tried the Provo this morning and it didn't do very well. There was a lot of people. Yeah. So we're heading back in.